How to post quietly on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. So before starting the video, let me remind you that unfortunately on Instagram there is no such option for quietly posting on Instagram. The only thing you can do is tap on the plus icon. Now select the photo you want to post. Now select the photo you want to post and tap on next at the top right corner. Now if you want to edit the photo, you can choose from different settings. Now once you're done, simply tap on next. Now scroll down and tap on audience. Now change from everyone to close friends. Now tap on close friends. Now on this page, you can choose from few of your friends. Now tap on done. Now simply go back and tap on share. So by posting this way, it won't notify all of your followers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.